Hamza was your typical teen, loved taking selfies, all day, every day, his golden rule, no day without a selfie. One afternoon, he stood outside the library, smiled, clicked his daily selfie, and posted it on Instagram, but when he looked at the photo again, there was a stranger behind him, dressed in white, face slightly blurred, eyes staring directly into the camera. Hamza turned around. No one was there. He quickly deleted the photo and rushed home. The next morning, his mom asked, "Hamza, was your friend here last night?" Hamza raised an eyebrow. "What friend?" "The one in white. I saw him outside with you." "Taking a selfie?" Hamza's blood ran cold. That night, 2 a.m., his phone buzzed. Camera with flash, new Instagram tag at Hamza_con, caption, "Nice selfie, buddy." It was the same photo, but now the stranger was inside Hamza's bedroom, sitting on his bed, smiling. Hamza dropped the phone in fear. The next morning, another tag, then another. In each photo, the stranger was closer and closer. The final photo was terrifying. It was a close-up of the stranger whispering into Hamza's ear, caption, "Now it's your turn to take my picture." The next day, Hamza was gone. His Instagram was silent. Except for one last post, a photo of an empty room, with the caption, "Captured by a friend."